Good morning, students. In this video, we are discussing about the accounting treatment of goodwill. The retiring or decreased partner entitled to his share of goodwill at the time of retirement or death because the goodwill then earned by the firm is the result of the efforts of the all executing partners in past. Since a part of future profit will be accruing because of the present goodwill and retiring the decreased partner will not share future profit. It will be fair to compensate the retiring or decreased partner for the same. At the time of retirement or death of a partner, goodwill is evaluated on the basis of agreement among the partners. As such a case of retirement or death of a partner, the adjustment for goodwill will be made for partner's capital account. The retiring or decreasing partner's goodwill account will be credited with his share of goodwill and continued partner's capital account will be debited in their gaining ratio. Their following general entry will be paused. Continuing partner's capital account debit in the gaining ratio to retiring partner's capital account with the share of goodwill. We have seen here the illustration. PQR are equal partners in firm are retired and the goodwill of the firm evaluate 3,60,000. No goodwill account appear as it in the book of firm. P and Q are agreed to future profit share ratio 3:2 and pass the year general necessary entry. एंट्री क्या हो जाएगी यहाँ पे कि ओल्ड पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू रिटायरिंग पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. फर्स्ट वी कैलकुलेट द गेनिंग रेशियो. गेनिंग रेशियो इज इक्वल टू न्यू रेशियो माइनस ओल्ड रेशियो. तो फर्स्ट वी हैव सीन द पी गेन 3/5 is new ratio and minus old ratio 1/3. Then we have got 4/5. And another Q 2/5 is old ratio and 1/5 is new ratio is equal to 1/5. Such here gaining ratio between P and Q 4:1. Then we have got here the general entry. Total capital of firm 3,60,000 and our share is 1,20,000. Then we have divided into 4:1 ratio of the P and Q capitals. Next we have seen the another topic. When the goodwill account is already appear in the book, usually the goodwill is not shown in the book of firm. However, if the at time of retirement of death of partner, it appear in the book balance sheet of firm, it will be written off by debiting all partners capital account in their old profit share ratio and credit it to the goodwill account. In such case, the following journal entry: all partners capital account debit to goodwill account. Let's we have seen the illustration. A, B, C are the partner profit share ratio is 3:1. Goodwill is appearing in the book at the value at 2,40,000, but B retire, and on the day of B retirement, goodwill is valued at 6 lakh. A and C decided to share the future profit is equal to 3:2. तो हम लोगों ने भी देखा कि जब बुक अपीयर हो रही है ना, तो उसकी एंट्री कैसे करना है कि ऑल पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू गुडविल अकाउंट. तो बुक में शो हो रही थी 2,40,000. तो अब हम उसको जो है 3:1 के रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लेंगे. देन वी हैव गॉट द न्यू journal entry for A's capital old partners capital account debit to retiring partners capital. तो रिटायर पार्टनर है, उसका शेयर कितना है 6 लाख में से हम उसका 2 का रेशियो निकालेंगे तो आ जाएगा 2 लाख 2/6 से. Then we have calculated the gaining ratio among the old partners. His gain 3/5, his new ratio, and old ratio is 3/6. Then we have got 3/30, and C's gain 2/5 minus 1/6 is equal to 7/30. Then, as such gaining ratio between A and C 3:7. Then we have come on the another again journal entry. A's capital account debit 60,000. C's capital account debit 1,40,000 and B's capital account debit 2 lakhs.